Hi students, welcome you all to the session. Today we will discuss the types of artificial intelligence. Let's move to our topic, types of artificial intelligence. At a higher level, artificial intelligence can be divided into two types. First one, artificial narrow intelligence, that is ANI. Second one, artificial general intelligence, that is AGI. First one, artificial narrow intelligence. Artificial intelligence systems are the systems that are in use today. These systems have been developed to perform simple tasks. Artificial intelligence machines are intelligent enough to smartly perform a single task. By using this artificial narrow intelligence systems, we can perform a simple task or a single task. For example, voice assistants like Google Now, Alexa, etc. These all AI systems are only designed to recognize voice and act upon it. By using this artificial narrow intelligence system, we can perform simple or single tasks. Okay, clear? Then examples, voice assistants like Google Now, Alexa, then self-driving vehicle. These systems are designed to drive vehicles on the road. These systems can learn and improve themselves, but they cannot learn new tasks. Okay. Then narrow artificial intelligence can perform a number of tasks. First one, interpreting videos to understand what is happening. For example, a video of the roof of the house for identifying repair needs. Acting as a personal secretary for organizing personal and business calendars, making appointments, scheduling meetings, etc. Acting as a customer service representative for answering simple customer queries. Then booking hotels, ordering groceries, then helping doctors in making correct diagnosis. These all areas an artificial intelligence, narrow artificial intelligence can perform. Okay. Then next one, second one, artificial general intelligence, that is AGI. AGI is still at research stage. These systems will be as intelligent as human beings, that is capable of learning and developing. AGI has the capability to learn, adapt and improve itself so that it can perform various tasks. This AGI, that is still at research stage. By using this AGI, it can perform various tasks. Okay. Then scientists divide artificial intelligence systems into strong and weak AI systems. At higher level, artificial intelligence can be divided into two, that is ANI and AGI. Sometimes scientists divide artificial intelligence systems into strong and weak systems. Weak AI and strong AI. First one, weak AI. Weak AI refers to AI that only simulates human thoughts and actions. Actions, decisions and ideas are programmed into it. Weak AI, that is, only simulates human thoughts and actions. What all operations we have to perform by using this weak AI already programmed that all operations into that particular system. All the current forms of AI are weak AI. Okay. Then second one, strong AI. Strong AI refers to AI that matches or exceeds human intelligence. Also called true AI, as they are truly intelligent. Example, the robots from the movies Transformers, Matrix, Terminator, iRobot, etc. Okay. Then general versus narrow AI. what is the difference between general and narrow artificial intelligence? Narrow AI can handle only one task. We already said the task for which it has been programmed. AGI can handle any intellectual task thrown at it. All the current AI systems are narrow. The AGI systems currently exist in science fiction only. Many scientists have abandoned the work on AGI due to lack of progress. Narrow AI field, on the other hand, is booming. All the current AI systems are narrow. So, narrow AI fields is booming. Okay. Then, what is the difference between strong and weak AI? Strong AI systems are intelligent, but weak AI systems act intelligent. Strong AI will be self-conscious or capable of becoming self-conscious. Weak AI cannot achieve self-consciousness. All the current AI systems are weak AI systems, that is, they pretend to be intelligent. Okay. Then different fields of AI. The field of artificial intelligence combines different disciplines. The disciplines are computer science, philosophy, mathematics, biology, psychology, and linguistics, for creating systems capable of copying human intelligence. These are the different disciplines in the field of artificial intelligence. Then, programming without and with AI. Programming without AI. Such programs provide solution to a specific task for which they are designed. Programming without AI. AI is not there in this programming. Like that, systems provide solution to a specific task for which they are designed. Changes in the program change the structure of the program. Making changes to such program is time consuming and difficult. Then programming with AI. Programming is with that we are using this artificial intelligence also. Such programs provide solution to generic general for which they are designed. Such programs absorb modifications and changes without changing their structure, because AI-based programs are designed to combine different pieces of information. You can combine different pieces of information with this AI. Making changes to such program is easy and fast. Okay, clear? Okay guys, I hope it's clear to you. This is an interesting topic. So study these all topics in an effective way. After watching the video, you have to read the textbook. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.